Welcome back, everyone. Please hit like and subscribe. I thought I'd do a quick review of the Cut 50, which is either the Zeny or, in my case, I got the factory to customers, the F2C, but it's identical, so not the end of the world there. I ordered it on Amazon. I think everything total was about $190 shipped to the door. I know on eBay's got basically the same thing, so that's kind of the idea. Running it off a long extension cord. The only thing I had is that if you start it, stop it, and start it again, it did blow the breaker in the house. So I don't know if just a normal 110, 15 amp outlet, so that could be the issue, but pretty happy with it. I'm using 16 gauge steel and it cut very quickly through it. Had the knob turned up to just under 40 on that. The only thing is too, when you get the unit itself, you have to do a couple things. So one is it does not come with a plug, so you have to buy another plug. This one I bought on Amazon for $3 or $4, just wired it in, no big deal. The other thing that does not come with it is the tubing. So it comes with the regulator, and then that's basically it. One thing I'll say is it comes with these two like barbed out connectors that go for hoses. Actually comes with three, so one on this side, one on that side, and one underneath. I changed this one to a regular 1/4 inch quick release for the air compressor. I don't know why you'd want the other one. I don't know how you would connect it. It's not an exact fit. You can kind of, a lot of people tell you, but it does fit in there. I do notice it leaks a little bit down in here, but not a big deal. It's a slight little, but it works pretty good. Happy with it for the price. If you're doing something for work or using this all the time, you probably would want to pay for a more expensive one, but pretty happy with it. Give you an idea, I'll tell you this, it is tough to get a straight line with it. So what I did is use the board, it's about a 1/2 inch gap, and then just ran the head on the unit right along there. But you can get an idea. I mean, this is 16 gauge. It cut it pretty not bad at all. A lot of the stuff is me. And then I just cut across, and this was free-handed, so you can kind of tell I'm not the best at it for my first day though. So it came through, cut through pretty good. You just have to take your time with it. I don't know how much steel it could cut through. I know they say it's something like 1/2 inch online, but that's probably at the 220. I am just using a regular 110 house outlet. Probably have to get a dedicated 20 amp line in the house so it doesn't keep popping, but that's something to do. What I've been using it for is I built fenders. I wish I had it before, but basically I used it for the rear step, just to cut along to one side down there. So kind of made it fairly simple. And then I've also been using the Harbor Freight titanium 125, but pretty happy with it, can't complain. I do have a gap in there, but I did that on purpose, so I'm probably gonna just either lay a piece of bar between it so it's close but not touching. So I have to figure that out. That'll be the next step. And then walk around, same thing on the other side. So I think it came out pretty good. I am gonna test that plasma cutter. I have to cut down along here. I did cut a couple just 1x1s, but this is 3/8, so gonna be interesting to see how that cuts through that. Kind of get an idea. Building a camper, that's a couple other videos on my page with that. I was looking for that piece that I cut. Oh, here you go. Sorry. I was just testing it out. Freehand, went right through it. I mean, there's just this, all the back and forth is just me trying to figure it out. You can see inside, cut right through it. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. to cut this steel, which before I did the fenders by a grinder, and it took forever. This was definitely a lot quicker to do this with the plasma cutter, so I definitely recommend it. Any questions, any comments, just let me know. Please hit like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.